That's my best friend's hat. I'm sure my best friend will let me wear it. Miami's fast. We're gonna win. Look at him. He looks like he has 5 legs. Do you see him?
Second call, girls 400 meters. Second call, girls 400 meters.
Let's go!
First call,
Let's go, Edwin! Let's go! Turn up! Shut up, Natasha. Let's go, Kwasi! Kwasi looks like Calvin. First place. First place. We got this. We got this. Emmanuel. Emmanuel, let's go.